Is this the last light of our forest?
It is a memory, little one.
These stunning animations, all are made by a single AI tool from Google. Just by writing a detailed prompt, it builds an entire scene, with dialogue, camera moves, and sound effects all together. In this video, we are putting it through its paces for animation. But don't blink. It is also capable of creating cinematic, lifelike shots that feel incredibly real.
I'm very proud to be here to represent the community and show what's possible.
Here is the kicker. You can try it out for free with 1,000 credits every month. Sounds unreal? Let's take a closer look at this tool. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Google has launched its most powerful and impressive AI video tool called Veo 3. The generations from this tool are realistic, coherent, and high in resolution. With this tool, you can maintain character consistency across different scenes just by providing a reference image. You can apply various camera controls to direct the movement of shots. You can create natural transitions between the first and last images. You can check all the capabilities of this tool using the link provided in the description. You can subscribe to a 1-month free trial account. If you are a student, you can subscribe to the Google AI Pro account for free for 1 year. It gives you 1,000 monthly credits to test Veo 3. Here, you can compare it with the Ultra plan. You can access this tool through Flow, Gemini, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI Studio. Let's start with the Gemini first. This Gemini tool has limited capabilities and controls for video generation compared to Flow. At the top, you can see your available credit usage. Let's paste a text prompt into Gemini's video generator. Here, I have entered a detailed prompt with scene description, environment, and style. You will get an 8-second video. Just click the link and wait at least 4 to 5 minutes for the generation to complete. Here, we have the output video from Gemini. This video looks amazing, with perfect camera controls, scenes, and sound effects. Let's test another prompt, but this time, I will also add dialogue text. This scene looks amazing in terms of animation and facial expressions, but it didn't generate the voice. Now I have pasted another prompt.
Is this the last light of our forest?
It is a memory, little one.
And this time, you can hear the dialogue too. Let's test the prompts in Flow. Click on New Project. Here we have 3 options for video generation: text, frames, and ingredients. Due to Pro subscription limits, we will test only the first 2, text to video and frame to video. You can upgrade to the Ultra subscription to access all the options. On the right side, we can choose the number of generations and video quality. Each generation costs 100 credits when using Veo 3. Let's paste the text prompt here. Click the Generate button. Here, we have the outputs. Both videos look great in terms of motion and character consistency. You can download your generation in 720p resolution. Let's test another text prompt: a cartoon rabbit in a delivery outfit. I have also added dialogue text. And here we have the output.
So there I was, dodging dogs, bees, and one angry grandma on a scooter Golenia. And
Despite the background animation, the character motion, dialogue, and sound effects look realistic and impressive. Here are a couple of amazing animation results using the text-to-video feature.
Okay. Today, a new light rises.
Let's try another prompt for a realistic result. Here, I have entered a text prompt for a realistic interview scene. Choose the Veo 3 model and click the button to generate the video. And look at the final output.
I'm very proud to be here to represent the community and show what's possible.
Both outputs look incredible, realistic and perfect for an interview scene. Let's test the frame-to-video feature. Click on the plus icon. Upload your image. You can upload 2 images and apply effects to create a scene transformation, but I will upload just 1 image and paste the text prompt. Choose the model and click the button to generate the video. And here we have the result. This tool is an amazing addition to AI video generation. What do you think of this tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.